Welcome to this stunning two-story house design. Today, we're exploring a home that seamlessly blends modern elegance with functional family spaces. Let's begin outside, where the first impression is all about style and subtle sophistication. The exterior has a modern, clean look with neutral colors and warm wood and stone accents. Large windows bring in lots of light and simple landscaping. At the entrance, there's parking for a bike or motorcycle, followed by a cozy relaxation space to unwind. The living area is open and cozy, with a modern design. Soft tones, natural light, comfy seating, and a central table create a welcoming space. It's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or family gatherings, offering both style and comfort in every corner. The dining area features a cozy four-seater table under a simple chandelier, creating an intimate and stylish spot for meals. The kitchen is sleek and functional, with cabinet storage, a refrigerator for food, a simple sink, and a stove. Everything you need in one tidy space. The toilet and bath area is simple and functional, featuring a clean design with cabinet storage, a basic sink, and a neat shower room for everyday comfort. The stairs have a simple design with sleek railings and easy, comfortable steps, blending style with practicality. The first room is simple yet functional, featuring a single bed, a large clothes cabinet, and a study table. Its cozy design creates a perfect balance of comfort and practicality. The common CR is simple and accessible, with a clean design featuring a basic lavatory, a toilet bowl, and a functional shower room. The master bedroom is a spacious retreat, designed for ultimate comfort. It features a cozy bed that promises restful sleep, a large wardrobe for all your storage needs, and a stylish work or study area. The layout is open and well organized, creating a relaxing atmosphere perfect for unwinding or staying productive. The balcony is a serene outdoor space, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening. With a simple, clean design, it offers a peaceful view and a refreshing connection to the outdoors. And that wraps up our tour of this beautifully designed home. If you're planning your dream home or looking for a reliable partner for design and build, D&D Design and Construct is here to help. Feel free to contact us for details, and don't forget to check the links after the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment,